Okay, so the other day I posted a recipe for peanut butter protein balls. Well, the kids are at a football game. Damon's doing his thing, so I thought, well, I'd make them and make y'all a little video. Okay, so you are going to need half a cup of rolled oats. I just happen to have these ones, which are really good. They are cholesterol. They have plant sterols in them. They're actually for Damon because he had a little bit of high cholesterol. So we're fixing it with this and vitamins, which is working. So anyways, half a cup of rolled oats. Then you need a scoop of your vanilla, isolene protein shake. And then you need some, I like regular peanut butter. So I like my organic peanut butter. And then it calls for a brown rice syrup, but I don't have that and I couldn't find it. So we're using organic honey. Okay, so here we go. We have the oats. We have a scoop of the IsAgenix protein powder. Then we have a half cup of peanut butter. Scoop that in there. Then we have a quarter of a cup of the organic honey, or if you can find it, the brown rice syrup. Okay, it's out of there. We'll stir it up. I really can't even really taste this because I'm on a cleanse day, but let's get this all stirred up in there. And it says that you can mix a little water as needed. I'm sure it's falling off, but we'll see. You just have to roll them up. You don't have to cook them. You just mix this up. And we will see how it turns out. So it looks like it's pretty sticky. It looks pretty good. So let's see. I don't know if I need water or not, but let's just try one. Roll it up. I can't wait to eat these tomorrow, but hopefully the kids will try it when they get home from their football game. But these are really easy, as you can see, and really fun to make with the kids when they're home. But mine are growing up sort of sad when they grow up and leave. Anyways, all right, thanks guys. I will talk to you later. I will let you know how they taste tomorrow. Bye.